Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Come along with me while I put my entries for Watermelon Wars into their new homes. Let's get started. So this is the container that I filled a couple videos back that we're going to use to put the watermelons in. And the mixture of soil that I put in was a couple of bags of Miracle Grow all-purpose potting soil and some mushroom compost. So what I'm going to do is pretty simple. We're going to dig a hole here. For the first one, we have a mixture of chicken manure fertilizer, blood meal, and bone meal that we're going to drop into the hole. We're going to mix it around. And the first one that we're going to put in, is a Sangria watermelon. And we're going to drop that in. Going to backfill. And we're going to put our label with it. Put that one there. Okay, the next one is going to go, the next one is going to go here. Same process. This one is a tender sweet orange watermelon. Excuse me again. And that one's in. And put the label in for that one. And last but not least, we're going to put this one here. This is going to be the Jamboree watermelon. And we're going to take the best looking one. So that'll be this one. And just like that, we have planted 3 different varieties of watermelon. Now I'm going to go get my water container and I'm going to water them in. But officially, I am now entered into the 2025 Watermelon Wars. And I'm not expecting much other than hopefully to get a couple of watermelons off these plants. It's been a very, very long time since I've actually grown watermelon. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I officially entered the 2025 Watermelon Wars. And I think it's going to be fun and interesting. Like I said, I haven't grown watermelon since I lived up here the first time. And that was back in 2004, 2005. Very, very, very long time. So hopefully we get some fruit out of it, or maybe 1 or 2 watermelons. Like I said, my expectations aren't very high. And I hope to learn from everybody else who has also entered. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.